Great to have your company this Friday, the 27th of November. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, it's Thanksgiving in the US, so Wall Street was closed overnight, so markets were pretty quiet overnight. Investors might be taking their leads today from Europe. Of note there, the European Central Bank warned that European banks won't see profits return to pre-COVID-19 levels until after 2022. At the same time, investors are also digesting news that AstraZeneca's vaccine effectiveness is being questioned. So now the pharmaceutical company, as well as their partner Oxford University, looks set to run additional global trials. All in all, though, the broad market fundamentals haven't changed, and the market is still pricing in that 3 vaccines will be widely available at least as early next year in some parts of the world, that is. London's FTSE ended 0.6% down, the French market up 0.2%, and the German market ended flat. Commodities saw a bit of action though. The oil price held onto its 8-month high, but it did fall 1.6% overnight to $44.99 US. The iron ore price up 0.2%. Notably, it's up 56% year to date. Copper up 1% overnight, and it's up 20% so far in 2020, and it's nearing 6-year highs. Both iron ore and copper are playing, of course, to this China story, with China intending to double the size of their economy over the next 15 years, so keep that in mind. The gold price has gained a bit of momentum, up 0.2% to $1,800.08 US an ounce. What to watch today? Well, locally, the Aussie share market futures are suggesting a bit of profit taking on the cards, a fall of 0.2%. Keep in mind, though, this month of November, the market is up 12%. That's its best monthly gain ever for the ASX 200. Something to also note is that tension with China has picked up again. About 80 Australian coal carrying ships holding about $1.1 billion of coal is being held up at Chinese ports. So keep an eye today on stocks like Whitehaven Coal, New Hope, Washington H. Soul Patts and Stanmore Coal. As for AGMs today, well, they're continuing to occur. Australian finance group AFG holds theirs, along with Money3 and Omni Bridgeway. OBL is their ticker code. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, overnight Bell Potter upgraded one of Australia's largest scaffolding companies called Acrow Formwork Construction Services, ACF is their code, upgrading their buy rating with a new 40-cent target. That implies 10% upside in a year. Now, ACF has had a strong start to this financial year and is tracking ahead of forecast, which is great news. ACF recently pivoted away from the highly competitive 2-story residential scaffolding market and is now focusing purely on civil infrastructure. And if you looked at ACF's chart, it's in the midst of a bullish uptrend as well, so keep that in mind. Elsewhere, the tissue regenerative company called Aroa Biosurgery, ARX, was reiterated as a speculative buy by Bell Potter overnight with a new $2 target, implying 59% upside in a year. Now, the company's revenues were recently reported ahead of forecasts, so that's good news for them. Overnight, UBS upgraded Galaxy Resources on the improving lithium market, upgrading GCX to a buy. UBS also upgraded Sierra Resources, SYR, to a buy on the graphite market, reaching a turning point. Lastly, from a charting perspective, keep an eye on Oz Minerals, the copper play, Arena REIT and Saracen Mineral Holdings. All 3 of those stocks showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Maria with Bell Direct. Stay safe, happy trading, and I'll see you for the weekly wrap.